At this point, it's probably settling in, wow, we're almost getting to the point where we're going to buy our home. We just kind of covered a few steps of, the first 5 days, we're doing a lot of things. Now we're at the point of inspection. We scheduled that, it's happened, and you just got that 50 to 100 page long report. And what does it all mean? This is a point where we're going to have a chance to negotiate with the seller depending on how you wrote that verbiage in your offer. What you're gonna get is this report that kind of details out whether things are a defect, a maintenance item, a repair, or just something that you really need to monitor over time. Really what we're focusing on in this market today are defects. An example of this might be, there's problems with the roof. Inside the electrical box, maybe there's double taps, meaning somebody put 2 wires where there should have only been 1. A couple of those things that become safety hazards that should be addressed, those are the things in this market that we're really focusing on getting fixed for you instead of nickel and diming that seller and just showing that good faith that we were planning on when we first made that offer. Really understand we're looking at defects, not just anything that popped up on that report.